Taking a vacation is a time for you to relax and enjoy doing your favorite activities. It is an opportunity to try new things and give yourself a treat and to have memorable experiences. There are many factors that contribute to making a vacation a fantastic experience. These include the location, the amenities and facilities available at your destination, the services offered, and the activities available to keep you entertained during your stay. Opting for a luxury holiday has the potential to be an amazing experience, as this type of vacation offers you the best of everything. If you have the cash to splash, then the world is really your oyster and you can choose between the most luxurious destinations across the globe. If you are thinking of taking a break and luxury is a key element of your enjoyment, then you should consider these top 5 luxurious destinations in the world. Number 5 is Mauritius. Those who are looking for a break that offers the ultimate in relaxation in a warm climate should consider a stay at Shangri-La's Le Tourist Resort and Spa. The stunning rooms, the excellent hospitality, the beachside location, and the tropical backdrop are just 3 of the things you can expect from your stay at this resort. There is also an 18-hole championship golf course to enjoy. Number 4 is Paris. Paris is just synonymous with style, high fashion, and luxury. Therefore, it makes the perfect choice for a luxurious vacation. Whether you want a relaxing break or an active vacation with plenty of sightseeing and activities, Paris has something for you. In addition to the cultural experience, one of the greatest joys of a vacation in Paris is, without doubt, the cuisine. French cuisine and culinary techniques are considered by many of the epitome of fine dining. To take advantage of all the luxuries that Paris offers, stay at Les Meurice, as this hotel matches expectations of true luxury. It is in a prime position on Arcade Rue de Rivoli. The interior decor is very grand and the rooms are equally as opulent. Number 3 is Amsterdam. Amsterdam is a city of 2 halves. On the one hand, it is a fantastic destination for groups of young people who want to party hard and have fun. Amsterdam has many historic buildings to enjoy, and the interlocking canals create an ambience similar to Venice. The city has also a great culinary scene. A stay at the Conservatorium allows you to spend time in an environment that perfectly combines modernity and history. The hotel boasts bi-level suites and a bar that serves 40 different varieties of gin. The cuisine on offer at this hotel is also particularly noteworthy. Number 2 is New York. If your preference is for an urban buzz over a rural retreat, then there is nowhere on earth quite like New York City. This city is a hub of high-end boutiques, spa and beauty treatments, historic buildings, and fine dining restaurants. You are also spoiled for choice when it comes to choosing your luxury accommodation. The Plaza, Mandarin Oriental, and Four Seasons Hotel are just 3 of your options. Each of these hotels offer their guests stunning rooms and all the services and facilities they need to enjoy their stay. Number 1 is London. Another great choice for an urban gateway is London, as this historical city offers both the urban vibe and a cultural experience. The city is filled with amazing buildings and structures, fashionable boutiques, restaurants, and exciting attractions. Just like New York, there are many different hotels where you can enjoy a luxury vacation, and London excels in providing visitors with the experience of regal grandeur that is typically associated with England. The Savoy, the Dorchester, and the Ritz are 3 of the most famous hotels in England's capital, and each offers their guests almost every imaginable facility.